you catch me from my good side. I think I'm ready for my close-up tonight. Make sure you catch me from my good side.
What's up, you guys? It's Kia here. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing like a wig review, wig customization video. I was sent this wig from ReadyWig.com, and I'm going to be showing you guys all the details, breaking it down, how I'm going to turn this synthetic wig into my own, make it look natural. And if you guys want to see how I customize this wig and my review, you guys should continue to watch. Okay, you guys, first off, this is what my hair is looking like. This is about a month old of hair, and I was sent this wig from ReadyWig, and I'm gonna give you guys all the specifics and all the details down below and also in the video, so you make sure you stay tuned and you check it out down below. So first off, I'm going to wait to put my wig cap on and everything. I'm going to jump right into showing you guys what the wig looks like out of the box. Okay, you guys, this is what the box looks like that the wig came in, and it's so freaking cute. And I received the wig about 3 to 4 days after contact, and it was just here so fast. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Of course, I took the wig out already, and it comes with a spray bottle, which is very convenient. It comes with some wig caps, so I didn't have to buy any. It's inconvenient, okay, but that's really convenient. And oops, and it comes with the hair care card, and of course it comes with the wig. Okay, you guys, upon taking the wig out of the box, it was wrapped up really nicely, and the packaging was really nice. Of course, I started going through the hair and feeling for what it feels like. It's really soft, it's really shiny, and I'm about to show you guys what it looked like. I started playing with the lace a little bit, the customization of it, because I'm trying to, you know, get to that, because I don't really customize my wigs, and I'm going to show you guys how I do this one. But I have it on this mannequin head here, you guys can see. So I'm going to take it off and show you guys what it looks like on me.
And this is their silky straight lace front wig, and the inch is 22 and the color black. The construction of this wig, it has 2 combs in the front, a comb in the center, and adjustable straps, and also baby hairs.
Hey guys, this is what the wig is looking like on. It's really straight, shiny, stringy as hell. I'm gonna comb through it. It combs through really nicely. She's a shedder. So see, she sheds, of course. I expect that with synthetic wig, of course. Looks really nice on. So okay, it's really cute. I haven't seen straight hair on my face in a long time. Of course, I started already plucking on this side just to give a general idea of what I want it to look like. And so I'm going to go back and continue to pluck this side, and this is what this side is looking like before I start plucking this. You guys see that? This is very straight on. And of course, this wig has baby hairs, but we're gonna add a little bit more. I'm not a big fan of baby hairs, but we're gonna do it.
So with the front of the wig, with me thinning it out, I took the end of a comb and I just sectioned off the hair straight down, and I took a clip and I just pinned it out of the way. And I just started taking smaller sections from the front, and I just started to individually grab the hair and I started pulling them. You also could use tweezers, but I just felt like my fingers were better. And I started pulling the hair towards me away from the wig because I didn't want to tear the lace. And this just makes it a little bit more flattering. And so I just continued that on that side, and I also did the other side. So while I was customizing the front, the ends got a little bit jank. So I just took my thermal brush and I just started combing through. And then I took my blow dryer and I used the comb attachment to get the heat directly on the hairs. And I just used my comb and comb through it, my comb attachment and comb through it. And it knocked those naps all the way out. It made it look brand spanking new. And I also just took the blow dryer through the hair to finish polishing up the hair, making it look nice. And yeah, that's what I did to customize this wig.
Okay, y'all, after hours, I mean literally hours of putting this thing on, I finally have it on, and this is what it's looking like. And this is the front of it. I think I did okay. I think I did pretty good. I'm not gonna, beat myself up, but I think I did pretty good for my first time ever, like, using this got to be free spray on my hair. And ooh, getting a little, now this side I janked up a little bit, but I'm gonna see that. I'm still gonna practice a little bit more with that technique as far as using the spray. But so far I think it looks really good. I'm really happy about it. I haven't seen myself in a straight hair in so freaking long. It's crazy, especially in that middle part. I love doing a side part. I just love that look, but I haven't done the middle part in such a long time. And straight and in black, jet black or 1B or whatever. I just haven't done this in so long. Of course, I love how it came in the package. I love that it had the wig caps and it had the little spray bottle. Upon taking it out the box, the hair is really nice for a synthetic wig. Of course, it doesn't feel like wiry. It's really soft, it's shiny. I had to put a little heat on it to kind of knock down some of that like shiny synthetic wiggy look. But of course, to get rid of that shine, you take a fabric sheet softener, you throw in the dryer, I forgot what it's called specifically, and you kind of rub it over your hair to take away the sheen, and it kind of gives it more natural look and dulls it down. But I just stuck with it. I like it. This wig is very long. I think it's 22 inches. Don't quote me on that. I'll put it down below, the exact measurements of it. But it's really long. I usually don't wear really long hair because it tends to tangle. It tends to do what it wants to do on its own. I don't really mess with it, but I'm loving this look, this vibe. But my cons about this wig is it does shed. It does shed a lot. But I will say that I think that normally happens with synthetic straight wigs anyway. I think because I had a wig before and it shed a lot. It felt really nice, but it just shed. I don't know why it does that. I just don't know. But still, it's really nice. The cap feels so snug. I never have to use the straps in the back. Of course, I want to take the combs out of it. I just didn't get a chance to do it now. But it's very comfortable. I was able to get the lace down all the way. But I will say, if you are like real like particular about the lace being a particular color, I will tint it if I were you. But I usually don't even lay my wigs down, just pop a wig on. I'm just one of those type of girls that just pop a wig on and go out the door. But if you are one of those girls, you like the wig to be more laid down and kind of flesh to your skin tone, you want to tint the lace a little bit. And I did pluck it, so it looks a little bit natural. But then again, you probably can't tell because it's so much hair here, but it doesn't even really matter. But I did want to thin it out a little bit more to make it look a little bit more natural. and so I'm really happy about it. Another thing that's kind of bugging me is the flyaways. It's like I have to like put some on it. Like I have to take some of my spray and put it in my hand and put some on the hair just a little bit. But then again, you see that? I don't know if you guys can see that. It just kind of, you know, stays in one spot. So I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to do all that. I give this wig like a 4.5 because, you know, it's real pretty. I didn't have a lot of problems with it. It's snug. It fits really nice. The lace is really nice. The style is gorgeous. But overall, I really like this unit. I would give it a 4.5. It fits really nice. The hair is really soft, shiny. It's comb. I can comb through it. If it gets tangled, I can comb it right out. And if you guys like this unit, I am going to leave everything down in the description box below, so you make sure you check it out. And I have a coupon code down below, so you guys make sure you check it out. You guys remember to love, embrace, and celebrate who you are. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.